In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your trunk lock actuator on your Chevy Cruze. It's located on your trunk lid. We're going to take out these push pins using a trim tool. Now we're going to use our trim tool and we're going to pop off this piece of plastic. And now we're going to pull this down. And we can access our actuator. You're going to slide a pick in here and push down and disconnect your connector. We're going to use a T30 and undo these two bolts. Now you're going to push it this way and then unhook it. Next, you're going to use a trim tool that has two prongs and push down on these two tabs right here, one there and one there. And as you do that, you're going to push this cover this way. Take that cover off, and then you're going to take your cable out. For the new one, you're going to do the same, push in those two tabs and slide the cover over. Like that. And you're going to place this inside here. Slide it into that spot. And now you're going to put your cover back on. Put it into the two square areas and then slide it over. And now we're going to install our bolts. Let's tighten those down. Now let's plug in our connector. You should hear that click. Now we're going to put this back. Make sure you feed your handle through the slot. And also this through here. Once everything's lined up, you can put your push pins in and your plastic cover. Now we're going to make sure it works. You're going to shut it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.